Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extra blank space to your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, as you can see, I'm on the Wix website editor. Now we just need to locate that blank space. So there's actually two instances wherein you have a blank space. The first instance is if you have a section that is actually empty. So what you can do is you can actually put in here some elements that you can have, or if you don't really need this, then just click on this specific section, right click on this, then scroll down until you reach the delete option. Now delete that. And as you can see, we have now removed black space. But if the blank space is actually occurring on the specific section wherein you have the specific elements, as you can see here, I have elements, and as you can see, I have here some black space. So there's actually two methods in order to remove this extra backspace right here. First method is to manually adjust it. So to do that, scroll up until it actually adjusts that specific height that you want it to be. Now, if you don't want to do that, you could actually just double click on this specific thing right here. So let's double click this. And then as you can see, the blank space has been removed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me. See you soon.